your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain.
So it's pretty cold outside, low 40s, mid 40s. We get later into the evening tonight and it's going to drop just a little bit more, upper 30s there. But I think the main concern for many of us is going to be just a little bit of fog that we're going to be dealing with tonight and kind of into your Monday morning. That's really all due to the fact that, number one, our dew points are dropping just seriously close to the overnight temperature. This is a look at 6 a.m. on your Monday. Dew points in the upper 30s, low 40s. And if you remember, our low is in the upper 30s and low 40s. So if you kind of see where I'm getting at, what's going to happen is that you're going to have these temperatures and dew points approaching each other. You get condensation of that water vapor into the air, you get cloud droplets forming, and then you're going to get fog across, decent parts of our viewing area. I'm not saying it's going to be super widespread. The heaviest fog, certainly heavier patches are possible as we get later into the morning, but for the most part, widespread mist, that's definitely in play here as you head out the door Monday. So just be safe there out on the roads. If you do get into conditions where it's less than a tenth of a mile, I would just don't call it quits, but just slow down. I mean, geez, just keep yourself safe there. And we get into the rest of your Monday, and it's low 60s for those temperatures. Plenty of cloud cover as well. Thankfully, rain not in the equation here, and that really won't be the case up until about Wednesday, when we do anticipate some changes, mostly in the form of a weak cold front that's going to push its way on through from the west off to the east. That's going to bring us our initial rush of cooler air, but we actually have a second front that's going to be later in the week. I'll touch on that later, but again, more rain expected into the region. Low, 2 inches of rain potentially in places. And if you didn't think we already have enough rain, well, this one rain chance could bring all of us at least an inch of rain. So it just doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. And we get past our Wednesday and, we get that other cold front and we're back into the 40s again. So it's kind of a nice start to the week. It certainly is. Monday and Tuesday, enjoy those days. You cool down after your Wednesday, lows getting close to 30 or in the upper 20s at points overnight Friday, and then of course the rest of the week, it starts to warm up just a little bit Sunday, but overall it's not looking good. But the Weather Roadshow, definitely show up. That's Thursday, February 9th at 6 p.m. I hope you guys can make it. It is free admission. You can find us at the Rent Auditorium. We've got more coming up. Desmond has more coming up after this break.